Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Floxite 15X lighted vanity mirror. This is an FL-615-2 and you're trying to figure out how to insert or to replace or change the batteries in it. So as you probably know, this can plug into the wall to make your light, but it can also run off of batteries. And what you need to make it run off batteries is 4 AA batteries. They don't come with it when you buy it, so you're going to need to get 4 AA batteries. If you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get them off Amazon for a good price and free shipping. But anyways, all we're going to do is come to the bottom of the light, and you'll see there's like a door here. And all we're going to do is come in with our fingernail or something like that, and we can just pop this open, this door open from this like semicircle, this little crescent here, whatever you call it. It'll just pop open, and this door will flop down. And from there, we'll just put our batteries in, just making sure we put the flat part of the battery on this springy part of the thing. And then once we're done there, we're just gonna close it, and then we should be good to go. It should be working off of our AA batteries. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching.